My brother, my good friend, General Babangida, I knew you since 1979. He made me what I am today. Without you, I could have been a dead man for a long time. He brought me up. Through you, I knew all the military governors in Nigeria.
In the serene landscapes of Upo Village, Anambra State, Nigeria, a child was born into royalty on November 27, 1948. This child, Prince Arthur Eze, would embark on a journey that would see him rise from the heart of his community to the pinnacle of the African oil industry. As the younger brother to the traditional ruler of Upo, Arthur's early life was steeped in the rich traditions and values of his people, but even with his royal lineage, he was driven by a desire to carve out his own destiny. In 1970, Arthur completed his secondary education at St. Augustine Secondary School, Imo State. His passion for engineering led him across continents to California State University, Long Beach, where he pursued studies in mechanical and chemical engineering from 1974 to 1978. Upon returning to Nigeria, Arthur Eze was determined to harness the nation's vast oil potential. In 1991, he founded Atlas Oranto Petroleum, a company that would grow to hold 22 oil and gas licenses across 12 African countries, making it the largest privately held oil exploration firm on the continent. But success is seldom achieved in isolation. At a recent book launch honoring General Ibrahim Babangida, Arthur Eze took the stage to share a heartfelt revelation. This profound gratitude stems from a pivotal moment in Arthur's career. During the early days of Atlas Oranto Petroleum, navigating the complex and competitive oil industry was a formidable challenge. General Babangida, then Nigeria's head of state, recognized Arthur's vision and potential. He provided the necessary support and opportunities, enabling Arthur to establish a foothold in the industry. This mentorship and backing were instrumental in Arthur's ascent to prominence.
The President, Commander-in-Chief, Senator Tinubu, my brother, my good friend, General Babangida, I knew you since 1979. He made me what I am today. Without you, I could have been a dead man for a long time. He brought me up. Through you, I knew all the military governors in Nigeria. I traveled to Sierra Leone, traveled to Liberia, all the GOCs commanded, General Bakut, all of them. How can I thank God without also thanking you? You have no enemy. When you have problem with Abacha, I went to Abacha. Say, why are you quarreling with Babangida? I have problem with Abiola. You didn't tell him. You told me you had changed the army barrack to your name. Army barrack Abuja here. Then I drove to Mina. Yeah, said this is what Abacha said. He said, I'm happy to hear that. You have no enemy. Babangida has no enemy anywhere. All the big men, as he he brought all of us up. It's sheer. Now I'm very grateful.
In a gesture of appreciation, Arthur Eze announced a donation of 500 million naira to support General Babangida's initiatives, underscoring the deep bond between the two men.
I'm going to give you 500 million naira. Oh, what you are giving us, it's the first time we are doing something for you. May God bless you. Bless Tinubu also. Keep this one.
A man of his word, the check is with me. I promise I'll hand it over.
Arthur Eze's success has always been intertwined with a commitment to uplifting others. His philanthropic endeavors are vast and varied. In 2013, he donated $12 million for the construction of St. Stephen's Anglican Deanery and Youth Development Center in Otueke, Bayelsa State. He has also contributed significantly to educational and healthcare projects across Nigeria and beyond. Closer to home, Arthur has been a catalyst for development in Ukpo and surrounding areas. He played a pivotal role in the creation of Dunukofia local government area and the establishment of its headquarters in Ukpo. His investments have led to the modernization of local markets, construction of road networks, and the building of medical research facilities. Yet, amidst all his generosity and influence, one question lingers. Why, despite his unwavering philanthropy for his people, has Arthur Eze remained relatively silent on the issues that deeply affect his homeland? Issues like the escalating insecurity in the southeast, the cries of marginalization, and the call for justice by Ndi Igbo. His wealth and influence position him as a potential voice for the voiceless. Yet, his involvement in addressing these pressing issues has been notably limited. Is it strategic silence, a calculated political stance, or perhaps a personal philosophy of quiet diplomacy? Some say his ties with powerful figures in Nigeria's political landscape may explain his discretion. Others believe he contributes behind closed doors, away from public scrutiny. But what do you think? Why do you think Arthur Eze hasn't been at the forefront of addressing the insecurity and marginalization in the Southeast? Is it strategic silence or political diplomacy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This is a conversation worth having. With wealth comes influence, and with influence comes responsibility. But how one chooses to wield that power is ultimately a matter of choice. What is Arthur Eze's choice, and what does it mean for the future of Ndi Igbo? From a prince in a modest village to a titan of the oil industry, Arthur Eze's journey is a testament to vision, resilience, and the transformative power of mentorship. But as the story continues to unfold, the question remains, will he one day use his voice to champion the cause of his people? If you found this story thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful stories about Africa's influential figures. And be sure to hit the notification bell to never miss an update.
Like somebody like Buhari, after another 4 years, 8 years in presidency, we'll give Igbos power. Nobody else will do that. Only Buhari. Where do you the power here, Buhari? Oh, Buhari will give us power. We transfer the presidency to Ibama. Because he has conscience. He takes a decision. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from. Now, Mr. President, I'm very happy. Somebody like Umeha is a young man who feared God, who think about poor like yourself. Give him power to rule Igbo people. And that's a whole. I'm very grateful. I thank you, Mr. President. Thank you. When I put up on the ground here, you will not wait. When we started, see we're in the power. And when you look at one thing, I know very much happened. So let's run around. We don't have to know him. Let's ask you a hand. Going forward. That